Hello, everybody. How's everybody feeling today, man? We got a good day ahead of us today. How's everybody doing? Everybody, how's everybody feeling today, man? We got a good day ahead of us today. You love when I repeat everything? How you guys doing? How you guys doing? We're going live as we speak. We got a lot to go over today. What's up, everybody? How are you? We got bears, we got bulls, we got everybody in the house today. Let's see how we got going. Any stocks you guys want us to review today, so let us know. We're going to start with going over the market first and see what's going on. Miguel, how are you? Christopher Matthews, how are you? We got, multiple situations today. Market's looking fairly bullish, right? Elliot, somewhat.
What is it? Dojied out?
Yeah, a little dojied out. Where's Elliot, man? What do you mean, where's Elliot? Come on, bro. We don't do things without Elliot in the house. Say hello, Elliot. Everyone wants to say hello to you. So yeah, guys, we have a few stocks we want to review and also go over a couple other things here. So let's check it out here. Let's go into a couple things. Okay, the first thing I want to do is review our last plays. Okay, we're going to check out our last plays. So let's go into our chart. We're all about business today, right, guys? All about the beeswax. Remember that, the beeswax situation? All right, let's just put your Facebook here. So last week I called out a few stocks. A few stocks did okay. We were 30 for 30, so we haven't killed it yet. So I want to see 30 for 30 we've gotten so far. So if you're joining here and you like to make money, probably a good idea when we're at 100% call out rate. And I only pick out the stocks you guys tell me. So a couple ones, let's go over and check that out. So we got AVGO. AVGO killed it. So we got that one off to the races. As you could see, we called this one out a few days ago. Whether it was a Tuesday? Thursday?
Yeah.
So what is this? Today's what? Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday. So we called it out right around here. I believe it was right in the middle at 620. Went up almost to 650. 650. Yep, around 645-ish. We started saying 645. Pretty good. So that was our first call right there. And Justin Beebe with a bunch. Can we check? Yeah, we got you, bro. Anything you need from me, man? I got you. Another one we looked at was EVGO. So EVGO, very good, interesting one right here.
Seems to be balancing, right?
Yep. So I told you guys, this one was going to take a week or two. Now you could see, so Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. So it did go up a little from that day, but not enough for me to call it a profitable day. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm still liking this a lot. We have a nice bounce today off of it. So I'm still looking at for it to be this trend. So this one right here, not a winner yet, but I'm holding on. I gave it a good 40-day spread, a 40-day option. Again, I'm thinking the next week and a half, this is going to be blowing up, but give it some time. Well, let's check up on this one. So let's write that one down. EVGO, still processing that one. Another one we looked at was GLDM. GLDM. Okay, so if you look at this one, we had a very nice move, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. So right here, here we go. Sorry, guys. It looks like right here we had a situation of calling out, I believe right here. So right now, Kaka, very bad call. I'm going to say as of right now, it's a loss. I'm going to call that a loss. So as of right now, I'm not, for me to say it's going to be a winner, it could be, but that's not fair. This is a loss right now. So we're going to put our first loss on the column. So what are we, 32?
Like 40.
No, it's not 40.
I mean, if we were, you said 30. Oh, thought you said 39. Yeah, 30.
32.
31. One's pending still, and one. So
okay.
31 and 1.
So we're 31 and 1. 31 and 1. Let's look at the next one. I might be down on this one. No, this one did good. So this one actually went up from the last time we looked at it. Look at this one. Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. So, yep. So it had a nice little upswing from around 117 to 123. So we are 32 and 1. Okay, man, I took a loss. Can you believe this? So realistically,
right. Great odds.
What was that?
Still very great odds.
Yep, we are 97% ratio right now. Yeah, so let's go into this. And again, guys, when I do this, I look for my own stocks. And if you want to know how to look for your own stocks the profitable way, that's not a problem. Just comment webinar below, and we will send you a nice breakdown of exactly what I do to find stocks. I only go in this show. I only go for the ones you give me. So those are the ones I just use the ones you throw at me, and I pick the ones I like. So let's get into this. So we got Zoom. Holy crap, you guys gave us a lot already. Zoom's looking pretty good, man. So Zoom is breaking through. Might call this one out right away here. I'm liking Zoom, man. I'm liking Zoom. So it broke through this trend. Then it went into a consolidation, and it broke the consolidation. I'm liking it, man. I think this was good. This is pretty good.
Zoom.
I'm going to call this volume's a little lower, though, right? Oh, man.
It might only get up to that 50.
It might
that could still be profitable.
Yeah, so I'm going to say it's going to go up, not a whole lot, but I think it has a nice little move to the top. So we're going to put Zoom as one of our stocks for the day. Good call on that. And guys, if you're enjoying the show, again, check this out. If you want a couple things. One, if you haven't seen our webinar, definitely recommend you get a nice foundation. It's free. We got a guy named David Gorby. He just waved. He's going to help you out. He's going to get you the webinar. All you got to do is comment webinar below. And I got a surprise for everybody today. We are going to talk about it. A little surprise that we're doing for everybody. It's going to make your life so much easier. And we're going to talk about it at the end of the show, so stay tuned. Where's your next?
CPSS.
CPSS. All right, so CPSS, it looks like it could be a good one. I mean, so far we're looking like some good stuff. You could see this stock has a very strong resistance. I think we have enough here for it to start going up. We got a nice volume. Look at this right here. We got a nice little volume coming up. It's really strong, but overall the volume itself is low on this stock, 189,000, which tells me I don't really want to trade this right now, unfortunately. So we need something a little bit more volume. What's up, Jamal, Mayur, Dooch? How are you guys? Christian, love Christian, man. That's the man right there. We got to talk. Zachary Fuller, how are you? I watched it. It's very good. Helped me a lot. Awesome, Jennifer. I'm glad you liked it. If you have any questions, let us know. And if you did not watch the webinar, obviously comment webinar. I know a lot of you guys did already, but I would definitely strongly recommend. And if you're interested at any point to get coaching from us, we are doing some interviews. Please comment coaching. We would love to talk to you. We are doing now. I know we were sold out. We got 3 spots available. So if you're interested, it's a serious thing we do. We coach you one-on-one to really make sure you get the knowledge. A lot of people in here who are part of the coaching program who have a lot of great results. So let us know if you're interested. Just comment coaching below.
Nice. All yours. It's back in the building.
Where's next?
Levi, L-E-V-I.
L-E-V-I. Let's check it out. L-E-V-I, got to be very careful with this one. It looks good. It does look good, but the problem is the rejection. Nobody likes to reject people, right? Stocks don't, but stocks seem to reject. And this 50-day moving day average is exactly what you got to be careful for. Every time we keep bouncing off these swings, it keeps rejecting the stock, and it looks like it's not stopping right now. So we might be seeing this come to a nice little halt right there. So be very, 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 very careful with that one for sure. All right, let's keep this moving here. Where to next?
CS.
Jennifer Kennedy. Okay, we got you. So we're gonna have what's his name? Dave Gorby. He's gonna text you right now to set something up for you. Dave, please make sure to, and if anybody messages you saying they're from us, unless it's David Gorbia or Anthony O'Neill, be very wary of it. It's probably some sort of scam. People like to do that, so I apologize ahead of time if that happens to you. So please, please, please make sure we do not. Thank you. All right, cool. Where to next?
CSGP.
You don't have to yell, bro. Why are you yelling at me, man? This guy's having an attitude problem. I'm messing with you. I'm messing with you. The one person I don't ever expect to yell is Elliot. Elliot's probably the nicest soul you've ever met. I don't think the man has any enemies in his life. He's allergic to enemies.
Out there.
I don't know. If you guys saw the shoes he was wearing the other day. CSGP. CSGP is already kind of stretched. So you got to be careful with this one because it has a doji coming up right here. So a doji means to me, we got a situation. So it's an indecision. So we're going to look at two more stocks, then we're going to go over the market again, guys. I have something special to announce, something very special to announce. So if you're interested in hearing the special announcement, definitely watch us till the very end, because we're going to talk about it at the very end. So definitely indecision. I could see the stock dropping. Let's look at one more. Then I'm going to look over the market. ARKK. ARKK, I like this. This could be good. This might go on my favorites here.
Kathy Wood special right there.
So you could see here, this is coming down really nicely. And then all what we got here, a nice consolidation off from the 50-day moving day average. Very, very nice. Johnny Howell, we got you with the webinar. If you're interested in getting the webinar, comment webinar so we could get you a nice little thing there. Yeah, so this is looking really nice. Really nice. I like the volume. Wow, look at that volume. Definitely a favorite of mine. ARKK, bam, stamp it on the list. That's going to be our new thing. We're going to stamp it from now on. Okay, just a big stamp. No, actually, no. Where's my bullish? I feel bullish on that one. Bullish on that one. Yep, that's right. Now the bullish face, the bullish butt. We got the whole thing here. All right, let's keep this going. And guys, if you're enjoying the show, before we get into the market, I want to go over the whole market with you. We like to see what we call the heartbreaker, and that is how many hearts can we see from you guys if you're enjoying the show. We are looking to get over 250 hearts. Victor Lahachuk, my Ukrainian buddy, what's up, brother? Hope everything's good. Is the only one giving us hearts right now. So if you're enjoying the show, let me see some heart. Here we go. You know, and if you like Elliot and what he does, let's get some hearts in here. And if you love my bull butt, let me know. It's a good bull butt. It even has a nice face. Great bull. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate the hearts. Appreciate the hearts. We're about to get this going. We're going to check out the market and see what we got going on. Again, guys, we have something special coming up. Something real special coming up. What are you, bro? Yep, Elliot's breaking things as usual. And if not, guys, if not.
That's a mail letter opener.
If not, we got something for you right here. All right, you know what this is? You know what this is? It's just a mail opener. It's nothing much, but it looks cool, right?
It's the falling knife.
It's the falling knife. But it was a gift. It was a gift.
That's pretty dope.
All right, Jim Carr, what's up? Brian Norris, how are you, man? April, the fastest hands in the world. Cool, cool, cool. All right, so SPY. Where is SPY at? Be very, very careful. Okay, be very, very careful. I'm hunting bullish, but sometimes what happens is that this just broke out in a nice little move. Okay, market's looking like it broke through that, but it's in a doji situation. So I have a good feeling it might be good, but there's too many things pointing other ways in it. I think, look, we have this going on. So I could see the market being bullish, but I think it's time for it to retrace a little bit, kind of like it did over here. Okay, so it's in a very weird spot right now. So I would not bank on the market at this moment whenever you see a doji. Your wife says hello. What's your wife's name? I would love to say hello back. Let me see here. Greg Bernhardt. Just so you guys know, trivia fact, Greg Bernhardt's birthday is January 11th, just in case you did not know that. January 11th, so please make sure to wish him a happy birthday. It's almost coming up in 10 months. Where's to next?
YOLO.
YOLO.
That's worrisome.
Nikki Norris, how are you? So you know Eminem? This is NNN. What's up, Nikki? How are you? Thanks for joining the show. Thanks for watching. And I apologize ahead of time for taking your husband away every hour on Tuesdays and Thursdays. It's not my fault. It was not my idea. It was strictly Brian's decision. Take it out with him, please. I cannot control what he does at his time. He's just a stock junkie. This one right here, definitely be careful with this one. So you could see it hit this point right here. So it's on a downswing right now. Might have a little bit of an upswing, but not really. Definitely be very, very careful. What's up, John Mantle? How are you, Mente? My apologies. My apologies.
IQV.
Okay, IQV. We have a lot to do. This one looks good. Too many things against it, though. Be very careful. So we got the 50-day moving average. It's bouncing off of it. Last time we had this kind of bounce. Definitely not in the right place. And it's in decreasing volume. So there's too many things for me to be worried about and not trade this right now. Especially the fact that, look, under 1,000 volume, ooh, Be very, very careful. I'm hunting good stocks. Okay, where to next?
VZ.
Verizon. Verizon's been stuck, man. And I've been looking at it myself, and I think this stock is going to have an incredible game. Incredible game. But it's all about timing, right? Right now, it's been stuck here. So we don't know when it's going to go through. And God forbid we're wrong, this thing could really pop down to the downside. So you don't want to be wrong on that one. So you want to make sure you get it called the right way. We need to see it break through this pattern. We need to see this consolidation break very nicely. Then we could call something out, especially when the volume's so low. It's not where we want it to be, but pay attention to it, because when it does lift, I think it's going to be pretty big, but we need to wait for the right confirmation on that. And if you like what you're seeing, like I said, man, oh, thanks, John, man. We changed lives, not just lives, lives. That just puts that extra F in it. And we don't want to get the F out here. We want to keep the F. And guys, like I said, man, there's a lot of you in here. If you're interested, we're going to have something interesting coming up, something I'm going to make a big announcement at the end of the show. So please keep watching and give us a bunch of hearts, because we like hearts. I like hearts. I like thumbs up. I like hearts. I like all those things. All right, where to next?
Plug.
PLUG. All right, PLUG. Ooh, who gave us plug? So we've been calling this one. I told you guys I'm waiting for the right moment. It is breaking through 200-day moving day average. This is a good sign. This is a great sign. I'd like the volume to be a little higher, but overall, I like it. I think this could have potential. In fact, I'm almost wanting to put this on the list, bro. I like this. Let's see here where it's at.
Ooh.
Oh, man, it's right on that resistance. So if it gets to 31, I'd like it. I can't put it on the list just yet. I still should have pulled AMC yesterday at market close. We could look at AMC real quick. Why not? Let's see. I hear people talking about it. AMC's looking, you know what? I'm not a fan of this stock usually, but again, when it does things, it does things. If I had to look at it yesterday, yeah, I had some good volume yesterday. Yesterday was the right time to go at it, for sure, for sure. In fact, I would say the best time to get into this stock was around here. I would say, because we had so much volume on this day. Yeah, even over here.
The party got started.
That's when the party got started. Right now, be careful. Not a stock you want to be in. But yeah, hey, if you guys like it, you let me know and we'll look at it. But this was it was very tough to really figure that part out at that day. I think nobody gave me that one. What's next?
TLRY.
Tilray, right? Is it Tilray? Yep. Tilray just kind of had a big gap. So you got to be, once it's gapped out, it's kind of already going to be in a consolidation. And I think it's going to come down just like it did over here, this area. What's next?
APLE.
So Jennifer, I know you're looking to get into coaching. One of the things we're going to teach you is the exit strategy of when to get out of it. So you sometimes you got to kind of take the emotions out of it. Because, you get really excited. That's any trader. Any new trader does that. Anybody, even the existing traders. This one here is looking pretty all right to me. I like the fact that it's kind of up. I'm going to say it has another day in it. What do you think, man?
It does look good, especially if it closes above that area there.
Yeah, if it closes above that area, yeah, it looks good to me, man. I mean, the volume's pretty decent, too. Pretty decent amount of volume, huh?
So I could see another good day.
Yeah, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna put on my favorites in this one. So we're gonna go with Apple Hospitality. What's next?
Nice. Verizon. Excuse me, Visa.
V just broke out. Ooh, this man. See, if I saw this yesterday.
That was
a good one yesterday. Even today, I don't know, man. I'm liking this because it's been stuck for consolidation for a while. So to me, I'm thinking it's gonna go. I'm gonna think it's gonna go right around here, right around there. Yeah, what do you think? I like this one. I'm gonna put this on my list. I'm putting Visa on my list.
Visa's on the list.
Oh man, we got a loss now, man. I haven't felt a loss in a while.
That's normal, man.
Haven't felt it. We are 32-1.
Uber.
Still 97%. Uber's looking really nice, man. I don't think we're in any situation right now as far as what do you call it? Earnings. We're not in earnings season.
No,
so it broke through that 50-day moving day average. I I'm gonna say I like this one too, right? These are some good ones right here.
Something about a China company bought Uber too, something like that. But that's a really strong candle.
That is a strong candle, and the volume's looking really beautiful. Man, 25 million. Give me that one. I'm signing up for Uber.
Uber.
There's some guys. You're picking up some really good stocks, man. I appreciate everybody who is doing their thing, man. Thank you. Cool. What's next?
UNFI.
UNFI. Guys, if you like what you're seeing, you want to check out some cool stuff. We also have a cool course for you. If you haven't, if you've seen the webinar, we also have the Predator course, which gives you a good psychological understanding on things. Definitely would love to share with a few of you. So if you're interested, comment. Don't comment Predator. Comment coaching. Not coach. Course below. Comment course below, and we could talk to you about getting that for you. Let me know. But I'm sorry, but that's only for coaching clients. I apologize. That was my fault. Don't come. If you're interested in coaching, we will interview you and then provide you the course either way at no charge. The $500 course, no charge, just for doing an interview with us. Because we want to make sure even if you're not fit for the coaching program, we don't take everybody, you could still benefit because we want to help you out and change your life anyways. What's next? UNFI. I'm not a fan right now. I feel like it's hitting this point right here. So just got to break through this first for us to do anything with that.
HD.
Home Depot. Home Depot's a little below its averages right now. So be very careful. We want to wait for it to kind of get back on point. And right now it's not. Right now we are waiting for this to break out. I'm going to tell you right now, get the stock to 355 and see what I say. Then we kill it. But right now we are not. Right now, I'm a little more of a, little bearish on that one. So we got a few bullish stamps, guys. A few bullish stamps already. We got a few good stocks here. Would love to get coached. No problem. So if you want to, we could definitely help you out. John, I apologize. If you're interested in coaching, we could get you the course. That was my fault. So if you're interested, I don't want to give you the wrong information. So I apologize for saying that. I got something confused. So if you're interested in getting coached, and you want to set up an interview, we could do that for you. So John Abdul definitely will help you out with that. No problem. And David's going to help you out. Dave, if you're listening, I know you're in there. Make sure you provide them after you call a full course. So make sure you show up to the call so we could get you the course. We had people who didn't show up to the call, which was weird. They missed out on $500. Wow. Silly Billy with a Willie. I don't understand that. What's next?
ASO.
You guys keep ASO. Okay, ASO got rejected. So we're gonna go a little faster because it seems like there's a lot of stocks, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So ASO right here is at the 200-day moving day average. Usually means at this point we're gonna see rejection and a little bit of a downturn. I would not want to invest in this right now. Too many things. AMC, you think gonna rip soon?
I think it
already did, Charles. So right now we just went over it. It's a little too late. So I would chill out with AMC. This is where a lot of people start getting into it because everyone's talking about it. And then they start talking about other things. Stay away from it. That was a good play. It's going to calm down. And there's going to be other plays possibly with it later. BJ. This one I like. Let's see the volume. Oh, God. I liked it, but I don't, man. You got it. Volume is key to me right now. And it broke through. There's a chance it could go up. There is definitely a chance for it to go up. But when I see not enough volume, it usually means something's gonna give, unfortunately. So I'm not something I would risk. Again, we have to have certain rules in place. That's what we teach you, certain specific steps, step-by-step process on how to trade these type of stocks, make money every week through our webinar. That's why I always tell people, comment webinar. We want to share it with the world. It's free. What's next? SoFi. And if you don't know how to comment webinar, I'll show you right now. All I have to do, type in the word webinar. If you look at the comment section, boom. I did that. Dave, get back to me, huh? Where's my webinar? Where is it? Jeez, he's slow on me over here. This one looking pretty. Ooh, I like this one. You lucky, Dave. You got saved because somebody here gave us SoFi. I'm liking this one a lot, actually. So this just broke through a nice consolidation off the moving day averages. Beautiful volume, beautiful. Guys, I mean, come on. What are we talking about here? We're talking about a stock that's ready to move up. I'm getting a big bullish stamp on that one. Stamp is bullish. All right, got on that one. Good stuff. What's next? Matt Keel, we got you with the webinar.
Cat to the downside.
Oh, Anthony, you're in here. I apologize. So you'll see Dave or Anthony. I forgot. I thought he was in a meeting. Yeah. So we have either Dave the Man Gorbia or Anthony Rumproast O'Neill. Either one. In your inbox, Vlad.
What am I, Rumproast?
Wait, Jennifer got me Rumproast in the
No.
Hold up. What is going on here? We'll check it out in a few after these messages. All right, cool. What's the next?
Cat to the downside.
Cat to the downside.
I see why they said it early.
Oh man, it looks.
Now it's hammering out.
It's hammering up. It's hammering. I don't think it's a bad call. Whoever, I don't know.
Yeah, that was Victor. I like it.
Victor, I was gonna say he's definitely one of our members who are to coaching. Good volume, good thing. Yeah, Victor. It's hard to say no, man. But I will say for this one, because of the hammer, I would wait for this to cross. I would wait for this to cross first. Yeah. So yeah, Justin B. I know you're laughing, but actually, Anthony, he was related to a Rumpro for a while. For a while, he used to hang out with ones, and I told him, you need to change your friends. You are who you're with, and now he hangs out with better people. That's what he does. But he is originally a Rumprostian. Where's your next?
Apple.
Apple. I thought we did Apple. Apple
No.
thing. No, it's a different Apple. Who said a different Apple? Yeah, Apple's been going up. I told you guys I liked it last week a lot. That was one of my stocks. We made money on it. Right now, it's just not as good as it was. It's just, it's kind of coming close. Though I think it has I think it has a little bit of a stretch. I think it could still go up to 182. Just be very careful. Be very, very careful. Your webinar link. Oh, thank you, Jennifer. Appreciate it. I mean, Jennifer got me the link. My girl. You see that? You see?
That's hilarious.
That's cool. Good, because I was waiting. I hate what to wait. Did I miss ticker?
Oh, that was.
Did I miss ticker? You what?
That's the name. That's the ticker. You.
Oh no! I thought she was trying to tickle me. Is that Kelly Myers? What's up, Kelly Myers? One of our new coaching.
You're trying to tickle me.
That's what I'm like. Did I miss the tickle? No, man. We're still here.
Affirm. AFRM.
Oh, what's going on? I didn't do the happiness.
I didn't do that.
Yeah, it's a little Apple trick. Because if you like Apple, you'll get the Apple. See it? Where's my screen? I don't even see it. Right? Where am I? Did I leave?
No, you're definitely on here. I see
Okay, yeah, it's weird. I can't see it, right?
There you go.
Where?
The green line's there.
No, I know that, but I don't see me. Oh, there I am. I put the screen. That's silly, Vlad. All right. Affirm. Yeah. Affirm's looking all right, man. Affirm's looking all right. So affirm to me. Let's see here. Ticker. And to answer Kelly, no, we did not go over you. No, it's coming up shortly though. I know it's breaking through, so I'm gonna say I like it. Volume is great. I'm gonna say I think this has some. Yeah, I think it's got some in there. So I'm gonna say yes on Affirm. We're going with the bullish stamp on Affirm. For sure. I don't know where the heart's on desktop. What? Where hearts on desktop?
I don't know where the hearts are on the desktop version of Facebook.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Grab. Okay. I gotta learn this. Okay, got it. Sorry, C3. Yeah, can you give me an example of a spread on Apple that has 90% chance of being profitable? Just need the strikes. That's not something we go over on this show, James. A lot of in our paid groups we do that just because it's a little bit more advanced. So I just don't. I would have to do a little more research on that. I can't just be boom like that because then I would just give you the wrong answer, and that's not what I want to do. I don't want to screw you over here and give you some bad advice.
SMRT.
It's a good question. I don't want to deny the answer. When it comes to spreads and things like that, that's more for our advanced groups where we could really dig in and do the research together. This one here, I'm gonna say no on that one right now. Just too little bit of a volume on this one, and it's flat on the over here, and it's still below its moving day average. So as of right now, even though it's two good candles, it's still, in my opinion, not a risk for sure. What's up, Michael Wyatt? How are you, man? One of our members, Zachary Fuller, a lot of our members here.
Yeah. RL.
RL broke out today a little bit, but I don't like the fact that the volume is so low, man. It's way too low of a volume, so I'm gonna say no on that one. I apologize. Although I see what you're seeing, but it is kind of just, if you watch carefully, there's a I could draw it for them, so you could see here, this is a resistance right here, kind of hitting hard, and just be careful with this one. I see this one kind of retracing, in my opinion.
We got you.
Okay, Mrs. Myers, you got the U, Miss Myers. Here we go. All right. So this one here, you see, it's got this. It's got this part, so it looks good to me, but I just don't like this volume. So even if it does go up, especially if you're trading options, sometimes the bid ask would not be good enough. So even if it does go up, it doesn't really matter because you're not going to make money on it. It's just too many risks to rewards on this one for me to get into it. Although I do like what you're seeing. I don't disagree with what you're seeing. It's just a risk to reward could be a little off on this one. So that's all I'm saying. Where's your next?
Path.
To least resistance. I like this one. I think this one is similar to what we just saw, but a lot more volume. And I'm going to say on this one here, I do like it. I think is there a place I can look up these charts myself? Yeah, you could go to stockcharts.com. That's what I use. It's the easiest place for me to kind of teach and show. It's very visual. This one, I would like it to break here, but I'm going to say I think I like this one because I'm just kind of looking and seeing where it breaks out a lot of times. And I don't see a lot of those actually.
Maybe it's like 30.
Yeah, so I can't say yes on this one. I'd like to see it break through this line for us to get there. What's next?
Disney.
Disney. Kelly, you shouldn't know how to do options just yet, but that's coming up soon in your course. I promise. That's where Elliot's gonna take over. You and him are gonna go over some things. You might hear a little bit from me. Let's see here. Big rejection right now by the 50. So be careful here. It did break out. The volume's good. I'm gonna say I do like it. I just it needs to kind of get through at the end of the day, it's got to finish where it's right here, and then we're good. If it finishes at 335, 345, 350 right there, buy in last minute. Where's your next?
Bklm. I almost said Brooklyn.
Bklm.
Yeah.
Not bad. But again, volume is beautiful on this one. It's a good company. It's an ETF, but we need to break this 200-day moving day average. It's so important. This is a very tough position here, and you've seen so many people like what they see, and then it just goes to the bottom because of that. I'm going to say I do like it, though, but I need to see some confirmation. I really do. I'm sorry, but it's a little tough on me. For this one, it's a lot of things are looking good, but we need to get above that line. What's next?
CRM.
I haven't
heard that one in a while.
CRM is looking all right. Decent volume. Over 3 million here. It looks like it broke through this. I'm going to say what do you think? I think we might have something.
Yeah.
A little move?
Little move, maybe 225-ish. Ooh, it's right there.
Yeah, it's right.
Volume out of this thing, huh?
Oh, sorry I'm being quiet here, guys. I'm just thinking.
Fair.
I'm gonna say no right now, but it's close. It's on a watch list for sure. I need to see it break 225. 225, I think we'll get it just over the top for me to see a nice little reverse, and then all of a sudden switch this momentum to this.
Put those price alerts on.
Yeah, definitely good. Some good price alerts for sure. What's your next?
Baba. Have any wool.
Man, guys, when I see this stock, I'm always a little bit worried just because of all the news, and it just goes up and down, up and down. To me, I haven't heard about this one in a few weeks. Yeah, I'm just gonna stay away from this one. And considering all the decreasing volume, be very, very careful with this one.
Yeah. INTC, Intel Core.
INTC. All right, before we go on INTC, a heartbreak time. Who here could give us a few hearts? If you're liking the show, we just want to see a few hearts, just like I just threw some up here. We just want to see the love from you guys. If we could get 250 hearts, that would be great. We love our hearts. Anybody? Let's see if anybody could give us. Thank you, Victor. Victor's always there with the hearts, man. There's a few of you who's always there with the hearts. I appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, you're the one counting today, right? We got, oh, look, I'll tell you what, man, 24, that was pretty quick to get 250. Let's see as a team. Let's see if everybody's here as a team could just click the button 7 times, we got a good situation. All you need is 7 times. We are doing this show just for you to click this button 7 times with your thumb. I'm sure we've moved our thumbs for other reasons. We picked our nose.
We picked our nose.
Some people have a big hole. They need a thumb.
I got your nose.
Yep, we got a nose. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it, Jennifer. Thank Brent. Oh, I like those hearts even more. All right, let's continue the show. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it. All right, do you do order flows analysis, sectorization, and trend analysis to increase your probabilities? I do a little bit of trend analysis. The other one, sector rotation, sometimes I do that. I don't flow analysis. I don't really do that much.
Like you follow the sector things.
Yeah, we do follow it. And when we go through our course, we follow a little bit more into that. But for a show like this, it would just confuse people. But yeah, we do to set up stocks. When I look at my own picks, that's a lot of that is what I do. Jessica Bifaro, how are you? I think I clicked at 700. 700. You might be beating April. April has the thumb of the year, but I think you might be beating her on that one. Which next?
No, you never win.
INTC. It's just not enough volume there. Not enough volume. It's a little stretched already, so it's kind of exhausted.
SSYS.
I like SSYS, but not enough volume. So to me, when you see something like this, you'll see stocks like this that go up. They have these nice moves to the top, and for some reason they just die, right? Like right after here, they just died. Well, part of it, and this looks great, man. It's just the little bit of volume that it has. It's increasing volume, which makes me think that's tough, bro. This is a tough one because but I have certain things I look for, and I'm gonna deny this one because it doesn't fit all my rules. Yeah, so I don't mind showing. Appreciated that, Jennifer. You know what? I'm gonna give you a heart back. That was really nice of you. You've been a very nice lady today. Oh man, I gave her a like. No, like does not mean good. Like is okay. What's up, Michael Kennard? You know you're in here. We want to hear from you. What's next? Netflix. Ooh, finally, Netflix is making some moves here, man. We haven't seen Netflix making any moves, but I think this might be a good one, man. I think the volume's not bad. Volume's not bad. You know what? I think I want to risk it. What do you think? Or should I not do it? Look at this. Ooh. No. I don't want to put people in harm's way. This is tough because I think this is ready to go, but I think it needs another day. Right?
It is tough.
That's a tough one. That's a tough one.
What's it at right now?
No problem, Mike. I always messing with you. Enjoy your drive. Thanks for listening. Man, I don't know. This one's tough. It's breaking out though, right? It's been a while. I'm gonna say I like it because usually when this stock does things like that, when it has these little breakouts, it really does a phenomenal job. You could see, look at these, and it's very rare to see the stock do this and not have a second. Yeah. So I'm gonna put this on my Netflix. Getting the stamp. One more day. Yeah, I know. This is tough, man. I just like Netflix. So I'm being a little biased here, but realistically, I want to pick. Man, Justin's right.
Where would you?
Where
would it have to be for you to feel more?
For me to feel 411. 411, I feel great.
Okay.
410 for 11. 410 for 11 for sure. So thank you, Jennifer, for all the loves. Appreciate you. Where's your next?
XELB.
XELB. Let's check out XELB. Let's see here. So yeah, this is getting rejected by the 200-day moving average right now. So you could see here, boom, it's coming out, and no good. No good. If it rejects it, we got a problem. What's the next?
LGVN.
LGVN. So the same thing, man. This has been riding right below the 200-day moving day average, right over here. Really tough one, man. But if it does break through, I think we could have some good ones there. So using emotion for that? Yeah, a little bit. I am.
He's aware of it. That's the difference. You know?
Yeah. Well, sometimes I will play certain things on my own because I don't mind taking a little bit of a hit in the beginning before it goes up because I do believe it's gonna go up. But on a show like this, I try to time it a little bit better if I can, just because people, they see a loss, they might get scared, which happens anyways. But sometimes you gotta see it go down before it goes up. But this one here, I like this one if it breaks through, but it's got to break through that at least to a 9, man. If it gets to a 9, we might see some damage here. But until then, I would stay away from it.
SQ.
It was an accident. Damn.
XQ.
Holy. I'll tell you what, man. The quality of things you guys have shown me this week showing me that you're really getting some of this down. Just started to say that. No emotions. Yeah. Okay, no more emotions. I'm done. Oh, but I love square. No, I'm kidding. All right, let's see here. So we got this nice little thing here coming up. I like the breakout. Oh, yeah, no, the volume's good on it. I like this one. Yeah. I'm a fan of this one. I'm putting this on the bullish list. The more stocks I have, I might start lowering my average here. Wait, where are we? Oh, crap. Hola, what time is it? All right, we gotta start heading into these stocks. You guys ready? Here, so this is our rapid fire. This is where we go in real fast and just get 10 stocks like this. Are you ready for the rapid fire? Self-awareness is key. Thank you, Justin. I appreciate it. All right. This one right here. I'm gonna talk fast now. This is the rapid fire, guys. Mullen. It's coming up. It's retracing. Too many little candles. I don't like this. The decreasing volume. No on that one. Tesla. I called this one out. Man, this is funny because we called this out with Elliot. I told him about it. Remember this right here when it broke through this whole thing. It was like I have a good feeling about it. And what did it do? Boom, broke it up. And here it is. And I'm right now it's hitting this resistance. I'm not a fan of it right this second. Even if it does go up, it's a little stretched for me. So too many more risks at this point. So not yet, not right now. BGFV.
Big 5 or something like that.
Yep, a BGFV. Oh, now this one looks like it's breaking out. I like this one. I like the volume. Not bad for a sporting goods store here. And yeah, I'm gonna say this is a pretty good one. I would say just be careful here. It looks like it's kind of hitting this resistance at this point. So to me, I like it because of the volume. So just we get it to 20 and I would buy it. We got to get it to 20. Adobe. We looked at it earlier because I think no, it wasn't AMD we were looking at earlier. Not a fan right now just because it's too close to the 50-day moving day average. I could see it getting rejected before it goes back up. MNTV looks like it's breaking out, but it's such little volume. 305,000 in volume is not something you want to trade right now. Ford, I was looking at today myself, actually. I like Ford. I really like a lot, actually. I think Ford's going to kill it. Okay, have you guys been asking me? I told you I'm not a fan of Ford for a while. I've been waiting for the right time. I think this is it. I would personally invest in Ford. Yes, there is a chance it could get rejected here, but with 70 million in volume, I'm sorry, guys. I am a Ford fan. We're going to take the F with us, okay? F this. Ford is awesome. This F is good. I like it. Ford it is. What's next? PRFT, another one. Look at this. This one's looking pretty good. The problem is the volume is way too little. So we want to be careful with this. A lot of times these little pops don't last.
Boeing, BA.
BA, definitely always a lot of volume on Boeing, but looks to me like it broke out a little bit. There's a lot of breakouts right now, but I need to see it get past the 50-day moving day average for me to really start investing, which I have a good feeling with. But again, we need to get the we need to make sure. DocuSign. No, it's just yeah, it's trying to break through it. The volume for this one is not that high. There's a very strict decreasing volume on that one. And again, guys, if you're enjoying the show, please comment webinar so we could get you a full 6-step process of what I do, and also talk to you about the paycheck collector strategy as well. So I go over 2 different strategies. Definitely comment below so we could check it out for you. So we could get you the webinar for free. Just comment Anthony or Dave will get back to you. M. So M looks like right now, yeah, it's too early. There's too strong of a resistance point here. You could see if I move it over here, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. You know, I need this to break through this. I needed to break through this for me to even consider this stock. We got you, Vivian, Kachi, Anthony will get back to you. I forget what do we call him? Horseradish or something? Rump roast. Yeah, he's a cool rump roast. So you like him. Good dude though. He's gonna help you out. What's next?
Lows.
Low.
Yeah.
Low is kind of low right now, honestly. It's right below its 200-day moving day average. I would be very, very careful with this one. We want to make sure that this goes way above the 50-day moving day average before even considering trading this. Again, anybody who commented webinar, we got you. And if you're interested in coaching, you know, we have some spots available. We set up an interview for you, and if you get it, we'll get you a free course no matter what. That's what it's all about, guys. Giving back. So let's check out this next one here. Anybody who's in here new, by the way, we have a special announcement at the end of the show, so please stay tuned. It's coming soon. CHPT is the next one. And thank you, everybody, for providing so many stocks today. Jeez, Louise, it's a lot of stocks. All right, so on this one here, it looks like we have a resistance play. So you could see here, it's kind of hitting really strong here, really tough. We need to see it break through this first, but realistically, guys, I don't like this 200-day moving day average here. I want to see it above 22 for me to make these happen. These weed shops are constantly busy over here. Hey,
asking for weed stocks.
Oh, I got you. Wait, Phil, did you say webinar?
Ooh.
Oh, I thought it was a stock. Oh, like webinar. Okay. Gotcha. All right, what's your next?
Grab.
GRAB. Grab, look, so it's breaking out of consolidation. However, the volume is pretty strong on it too. I just feel like the stock is too cheap right now, and this could be too much volatility here. So I'm going to say not right now, guys. What's your next?
AI.
AI is looking all right. So, somebody asked for this one. Yeah, I remember this.
Yeah.
What do I think of it, right? Somebody, as soon as I learn enough, I'll help with coaching, Vlad. Yeah, man, we're actually looking for another coach. If you're interested in coaching, then take the coaching program first. And we're definitely looking for somebody else as we continue to grow. Let's see. Jennifer, interested in coaching, but I'm looking at the stock. All right, I like that it broke out, man. I think it's good, man. I think this could be good. I just don't like the volume. I think it's too low for this type of stock overall. Seeing how many things. So I'm gonna say no on this one right now, but definitely keep it in the loop. Like I would, if I see this breakout, like maybe another good day, I would probably think differently. But I'm just the volume concerns me a little. Bros. Ooh, okay.
Hello.
I like this one.
Hello, buddy.
Now this one is still kind of a new stock. Okay, and you know what, I like to see the 200-day moving day average. But what I like about this one, it's different than the usual IPO stock that's been out for a little bit. I'm interested in taking the coaching program. All right, Mayur, you've been around for a while, man. I thought you were for a second. I thought you was already in our coaching. You've been one of our loyal fans here. We'd love to help you out, Mayur. So yeah, this one here is coming up. Love the volume. I'm gonna say yes on this one. Even though it's not 200 days, it has a nice pattern, better pattern than usual. Usually we'll see these crazy ups and downs, which usually these stocks will have in the beginning. And you could see it had these crazy volatile moves, but it found its identity very nicely. Very nicely. I like this one. It's going on the list. Again, guys, if you're interested in what we're doing, we are at right now, all the stocks we called publicly that I like favorites, we've been watching. Today was the first one we got wrong. Okay, I will be man enough to admit I was wrong on a stock, but we are 32-1. That makes us almost 97%, 97 or 98% accurate. That's pretty good, in my opinion. I'll take that. What's up, Mike? How are you? How are you, sir? I can coach. I made 100K last 2 years. Full-time trader. Nice, man. Well, if you would like, we could get back to you, man. I'll coach. So we definitely are looking for a coach, but somebody who's usually we take coaches who did our program. So I don't know if I'm not sure if he did. But yeah, Zachary Full, do you mind if I DM you?
Hood.
Huh? What is it?
Hood.
Hood. Let's see. This one here looks like let's see. Yeah, so this one just broke out of this. This has been a long breakout. I'm gonna say I don't see why this would not go up any higher, right?
Yeah, what is? Oh, it is Robinhood.
Yeah, I'm gonna say Robinhood's been stuck for a while. If to see a stock like this go up, definitely. You're welcome, Brian, and thank you, Nikki, for joining the show, man. Hope I don't know if she's still there, but I appreciate you, man, always. So cool. So we got this going on here. Where to next?
GME.
GME. Again, guys, we're almost done at the show, but we're going to be announcing something big, so it's definitely stay tuned if you're interested in finding out what we're doing. So over here, looks like we're pumping. It's just too stretched. I like that it broke through. I love the volume and everything, but when I see too many days like that, now we're taking the risk of seeing people collecting profits. Nikki, man, thanks for joining. So I'm glad you got you recruited your wife. That way she doesn't yell at you. No, I'm kidding. I don't know if they yell at you, but I appreciate you, man. Thank you. Where to next?
NVIDIA.
NVIDIA looks like let's see here. NVIDIA. No, right now it's too stretched out for me. Victor, what's up, Victor? I haven't talked to you in a while. Hope you're doing well, man. We don't do Bitcoin here, so I don't do too much crypto. I could go over it. I don't know, but I don't even have the chart up right now. So unfortunately, I don't do that, man. I apologize, bro. But if you're interested in any stocks, I got you.
Bulls.
How you been, Victor? Bulls. Bulls looks like it's popping up. Again, not enough data. I don't like the ups and downs in this, and I want it to be over 200-day moving day, over 200 days old for me to make a decision. It's not bad. It's not bad. Something about it's not hitting for me. I think partially because it already has 2 days. It could go up, but I'd like it to be a little bit older for it to make sure. Oh, no problem, Victor. No worries. Hey, if you need hit up Dave Gorbia. He's gonna get you a course as well. I know he's gonna hook you up if you need it. So just Dave, can you message Victor and get him that? Where's your next? CF looks like to me. Now CF could be big, man. I'm gonna tell you right now. I like stocks like this that are bouncing off that average really nicely. Even though it had big downturn, a nice upswing with the strong volume. You get the idea. A little strong volume.
I got you.
I'm gonna say
very strong candle.
It's a strong candle. I'm gonna say I like it. I do like it because look, the chances of it going down is so slim, and even if it does, it rebounds quick. So I'm gonna give it a bullish stamp on this one. So there we go. Bullish stamp, ready to go. What's next?
APH.
APH, man. APH is looking like it's breaking out, but the volume's too low for me on this one, so I can't say good on this one.
Yeah, fair.
Wow, it's a lot of stocks, man.
DEI.
DEI. DEI is breaking out, nice volume. I'm gonna say, I don't know, man. It's not bad. I like it. It's increasing. I'm gonna say I like it. I don't know if I would enter it. I don't know if I'd enter it, but if you're in it, I would keep it in it for sure.
T-Mobile.
T-Mobile. Victor knows about T-Mobile. Let's see. So T-Mobile looks like it's popping up a little to the top over the 200-day moving day average. I'm gonna say, don't get emotional, right? I would like to see it go above this line. If it goes above this line, like 131, we got a great opportunity. Especially usually when these stocks move, they move. But we need to get it over 131 first.
Google.
Not a fan right now. It's already kind of stretched out. It's been doing its thing, and it's kind of hitting this resistance right here. A lot of stuff word is getting out of. I know, John Manthe, man, cut the words down. It's a lot. Look at this thing. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. No emotion. No Biebs. Come on. Is that wait? Maybe it's Justin Bieber. We just don't know.
Imagine.
I don't know. He's a stock guy.
Flex.
Let's flex on him. Oh, the volume. It looks good, man. It does, but if the volume's not down, I can't get emotional. Everyone keeps smacking my hands over here about being emotional. I think it has good potential, but we need to see more volume because at any point this could get rejected pretty quick.
Indonesia, don't tease you. In the bed with a bow-legged beaver. Huh?
I don't know what he's saying over there.
The song.
Sure it is. Yeah, there's too much of this volatility going on. Things like this, I don't really like to trade, especially when it's in between lines right now. And right now it's in between lines, so we can't do it. We can't do it. He's laughing. That means he is. Are you the Justin? Are you the Justins? Because I'll get you on camera right now. Don't mess with me. What's the next? Hey, we had Drake on before. Remember we had Drake? Nobody believed he would come all the way here from Toronto. Yeah, it's getting rejected by 50-day moving day average right now. So you got to be careful with this stuff right here. EWS for the road. Jamal. You know what? Jamal's my man. I like Jamal. Mm-hmm. Anthony likes Jamal. So we're going to look at EWS for the road. I broke through the 50-day moving day average. Nice volume. I'm going to say I like it.
Looks good. Looks
good, man. I like that one, Jamal. We're giving it one of these bulls. Again, just the face, not the, Yeah, see, Justin remembers Drake. That's his boy. Do you guys hang out together?
Oh, that's good. That's hilarious.
You know what's messed up? That how quickly you could go from Drake to pot roast. Unbelievable.
Little roast.
Over here, we got this stock right there. So it looks like it's popping up over here. No, I can't. You could see these pointing to the downside. The momentum's kind of low. Too many just too many things going on, and it's kind of hitting this point right here. So no on this one right now. ASML looking like it's stretched. It's got a doji. Whenever you see a doji, it's a sign of indecision. I would be very careful with that one. What's up, Garrett? How are you, man? What's next? CEI. Yeah, this one right here is between averages. It's kind of low volume. Oh no, never mind, not low volume. But it's decreasing volume. So
700 million. What is going on with this thing?
Yeah, so something like this. This could be one of those like crazy ones going up and down. Way too much risks in stock like this. You could make a lot, or you could, lose a lot.
DEI.
And everybody keeps asking, okay, fine. It's Bella time. So guess what that means? Bella time means we get to play with the doggy. If you like my dog, she likes hearts. Say hi, Bella. Bella, don't be shy. This is my little pupster. Her name is Bella. She's just chilling with me today. If you enjoy Bella, please give her a little hearts. She likes today she wants to do. Come on, stand up. Show her the dance you do. We are bullish all the time. Do-da. We are bullish all the time. Yay. Good job, Bella. Give a little clap. What do you think? Are we going to kill it today? Yep. Good girl. So, yeah. Yep. Her name is Precious, too. Bella, give me a kiss. Where's my kiss? Come on. Reject me. You're going to be the 200-day moving day average and rejecting me? Give me a kiss. She won't. She won't kiss me because she's shy. She's a little shy. All right. Thank you for the hearts. Bella, say thank you. Bella, say thank you. We have to continue the show. You know how it is. Bella, say thank you. I'm bullish. I'm bullish. All right, Bella, enough. We have to continue the show, okay? Give me a kiss. Come on, they're watching. Oh, man.
I just realized we covered this stock already.
All right, let's go into next one.
RH.
What is it?
RH.
It's a doji right here. Be careful with an indecision here. So could be a situation. So definitely and not something you want to trade right now.
Neo.
Yeah, we coming close.
Yeah.
Woo. Neo, same thing. Under the moving day average. So be very, very careful. Amanda Rodriguez, how are you? Ace Bush run. What's next?
PLTR.
Oh, good luck. I've been crazy busy and trying to get into play setups again. Well, nice seeing you back, man. Welcome back. Hey, listen, we all have times in our lives. We got to take a little break and things like that. It happens. This one doesn't look too bad, man. I'm going to tell you right now because all I've been seeing in these stock, I noticed a little pattern on all of them. Right here, they all look like the old school WWE symbol. And they all have it, man. It's crazy. So I'm looking at this thing right here. I like that it's kind of breaking out of this. It's breaking here. Let me see. This one's a kind of a close one. Ooh, but it needs to break through that. So I like the increasing volume. Volume is huge. And I have a really good feeling about this. Personally, so here's what I'm going to say. I would play this. Me, myself, I would 100% play this because of the insane amount of volume it's in it, and it's increasing. And if you want to be extra safe, you want to get through that line. I'm going to put that on my list. But play at your own caution here. All right, guys, it's very, very important. My wife said Bella looks like a Ewok. Ewok?
From Star Wars, little Ewok.
You know, hold on. I got to see. Because Ewok? Really?
Yeah.
Oh, my God, it does. It does look like an Ewok. I was thinking more of like the Never-Ending Story, the flying dog, kind of like that. Yes, PLTR. PLTR, yep, that's the one. What's your next?
BANC.
But you know what I like about that? What he just said there? Because I thought it was Brian. He said his wife said Bella. That means his wife is watching too. I love the whole family thing. Right. Anybody who gets his wife involved, honestly, I give you high fives on that. That says a lot. You're not going to get your wife involved in anything. Like, right. What are you watching on your Facebook? Stop watching Facebook. You're always on Facebook. Honey, look, it's stocks. So I appreciate anybody who's sharing that with their wife. That just means a little more to me. Or the husband. What's the next?
That was it right there.
Oh, that was it. So if you stay with the show, here's the deal, guys. Here's the deal. We are going to be really aggressively approaching something really cool here, okay? So if you're interested in finding out, let me get some hearts so I see that there's some interest in you hearing what I have to say here. If not, no big deal. We'll save it for a different month. Let me see. Anybody with some hearts here? No hearts. Yeah, nobody's interested. It's fine. All right, ending the show? No? All right. Okay, we got some hearts in here. All right. So a lot of people have been asking. What we've decided to do, okay, is we are going to be really going on with YouTube. Okay, so we're going to be presenting a channel next week. Okay, so definitely stay tuned. And this channel is going to have every live that we have already available. So it's already up. It's already up. We're going to be posting a lot more on it for sure. So we're still kind of getting it up, but we already have a bunch of, so you can go back and check out your plays. And we're going to be doing exclusive content. I'm going to be creating videos. Elliot's going to be creating videos. We're going to be really, really going into the whole YouTube thing. So if you're interested in getting the link, I'm gonna actually try to post it here right now. I'm just trying to make sure. If you're interested, just let me know. Actually, yeah, Justin, I like the fire symbols. If you think that's a good idea, comment tube below. Don't just the word tube. Yeah, I want to see how many people are really interested in that. And I'm gonna actually try to get you the link right now. I can't for some reason it clicked me out of it. Do you have it?
Mm-mm.
Thank you. Sorry guys. Yeah, so if you're interested, let me know if you think tube is a good idea.
Tube steak.
Huh? All right, we got a few tube. I see what you did there, little tube. So, and I'm just getting the link for everybody. So what I would recommend, definitely check it out. I'm trying to get into it right now. I apologize for stalling. I'm not doing that purposely. And definitely subscribe to our channel, put on the notifications. Again, it's going to take us a little bit. We're going to be going at it pretty aggressively, right? I'm ready for it. He's ready for it. But it's going to be fun. You're going to go, if you go there now, you'll see some things already. A lot of the stocks to buy and why videos are up there. I'm looking at it as we speak. You see that? You see that? So check it out. Give me 1 second and I'm getting you guys this link here. Where is it?
Probably just click on channel or click on your own.
Is this it right here? No, right? Let's see. Oh, yeah. All right. So here it is. You guys ready for the link? Make sure it works. Oh, I got to go into the Facebook. Hold on. Sorry, guys. This is just different here. All right. So we got the thing. Where would it be? I'll just text it to you. I can code. Okay. Where is it? Sorry, guys. Just trying to get it through. I appreciate the patience. I think that's the link right there. Just make sure it goes into it. Where can we get your Trader Foundation hoodies? Yeah, we got a lot of things to do. So we have a website. We ran it with this and it shut down because I don't know, they had some issues with their warehouse or whatever. So we're sending you the thing now. We got to change the cover by the way. You'll see this is going to be the page there. It has my face on it on the link. And Elliot's going to sticky it right now for you. So definitely check it out. Love for you to join. Love for you to spread the channel as well. Share it. Again, we're going to see a lot more action in it. But from now on, you could, if you're missing out, you could get your replays. If you want to share your friends and they just can't watch it, definitely check it out. Elliot just posted the link right there. So you guys are more than welcome to check it out. Let me know what you think. We're still going to be doing the lives here for sure. We got to get some more of these sweatshirts, bro. Come on. And we're going to get the sweatshirt. I'm going to make that a priority, guys. It's been a crazy month. A lot of growing, a lot of things happening. So it's been a little nuts. But anyways, guys, I do want to say I really appreciate every single person here. I really love the interaction you guys have been giving. And more importantly, the type of stocks you've been giving. I could really see a huge difference in the quality of things that we've been getting. Add Bella on your, that's a great idea. That's a great idea. Hey, why are you laughing? I think that's a great idea. Cannot copy on Android mobile. If I cannot copy on Android mobile. Thank you for the subscriptions, guys. I appreciate it. I don't know what that means, but you can't copy it.
You can just hold the tab.
Oh, you can't copy it. Do me a favor, man. If you want to comment, Dave, if you're interested, if you can't get it, who was that Android person? Who said it? If you said it, Justin B. I could have Dave. Can you text him? My link is broken. Let's see. How? No, it can't be because people are subscribing.
I wonder if that's the personal because I'm signed in. No, I'm not signed in.
Link not working. All right, hold on. This is where I need, what's his name? I need Leo to help me out with this. Let me see here. You're saying it's not working. Let's see.
I mean, if you just go on YouTube and put in Vlad Taman, it'll pop up too.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let's see. because then I could get my link. This one here.
That'll be the one.
Okay, but I'm going to send you a different link, guys. If you just search Vlad Tayman, it'll pop up as well. But I'm going to send Elliot this link here. Here, try this one. I think that one would work better. Works on laptop. It's yeah, I just sent. I don't know if it's the same link.
No, the last one said featured on it.
Okay, guys, I apologize. Yeah, so this one would work for everybody. See if that works. Thank you for letting me know. See, that's why I love this group. They give me feedback. It's such a great group. Give me 1 second. Search for Entertainment Trader.
It works for some people.
Yeah, check it out. It should work. I didn't know how it's going to show my face like that, but I'll find you. I was just offering you. No, Justin, I appreciate it. I'd rather get that feedback. Anything like that, I definitely need to know that, man. I thank you so much for telling me that. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Yeah, so again, guys, you'll see some videos on there. We're just kind of getting started. Now, we also included the whole Predator course on there. So you could check out, it's a 5-module course. We put it on there absolutely free. So check it out. You'll see some interviews on there, and all the lives from January and up are on there. Thanks to Elliot posting them there for us. Again, like I said, we're going to get this going for you, and you're going to see some more content coming in. Definitely appreciate you sharing the page with as many people as you can. Would love that. Again, it just came out, just a few, I think we've only had it up for a week. That's all. They both work fine. Good luck, everyone, and make those awesome profits. Thank you, guys. Again, appreciate you all. Appreciate you all. Seriously, thank you. Thank you. We will be back Thursday. We will review a bunch of plays here. We had a few of them. And what?
All of those were the square.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so we'll review them all with you. And I will see every single one of you. Well, I will find you anyway. Yeah, I'll find out why it's not working, man. That's weird on Android.
Android, yeah.
Yeah,
Interesting.
I'll check it out. Thanks for that feedback, Phil. Again, Thursday, we will see you all then. Bye-bye.